This is a hammock by the company Daze hammock, and this one is their floral pattern with the tassel top kind of hanging down on the sides of it. It looks really good. So let me go ahead, take it out of its bag and kind of go over it, set it up, and then I'll go over some of the specs and show y'all. So let me do that now. Pretty high quality bag here. You know, it's got the little drawstring up here, and I have used this. I had it set up at my house, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and just unroll it here and show y'all what you get with this thing. We'll toss the bag aside. So you're gonna get the bag, you're gonna get these two clips right here. These are two like hooks for it. And you're gonna get this ring and chain already comes installed on the hammock. So you don't have to worry about a chain if you already have it. And what I'm gonna do, and it also comes with this fancy little pillow right here. So you get a little pillow that you can tie up on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these Atlas straps. These straps right here are by Eno, and these are the Atlas straps that can go around a tree here, and I can go around a tree there, and I could set my hammock up really nicely right here. So let me do that now. And the way these straps work is you run it through this edge right here, and you're gonna have a series of loops that you can connect to. And then what I'm gonna do is just unroll it, and I'm gonna hook it like right there. Unroll this and hook it right there. Check that out. Look how quick and easy that setup was. That setup took me maybe 2 minutes. I threw these Atlas straps around, and then I just hooked in, and you could see how it comes with these supplied hooks. I hook this up, I'll throw my pillow there. Now I might slide these up a little higher to get a little higher off the ground. You want to be between 18 and 20 inches of distance from here to here. So just going over some of the specs for y'all, from tip to here is 78 inches, and then it's 12 foot from ring to ring as far as an arch, and then width wise is 55 inches since this is a 2-person hammock. And this is a quilted top hammock. Very nice fabric, super comfortable, very high quality, and has these cool looking little tassels all the way down on it. You can clean this thing off, super easy to clean. It's got, you know, these ropes tied in right here. And this comes in a wide variety of colors and patterns. There's all kinds of colors and patterns available for this. Daze makes a ton of different like patterns for this, but this one, I like this one because of how bright and colorful it is. I kind of like a little brighter color all around together anyway. And let me just kind of jump in it for y'all. Wow, this feels absolutely amazing. So cool. You can lay sideways, I can lay flat. See how I can see out through the lake right here? Very comfortable sitting, laying in this thing. And if I want to sit sideways, I would sit like this and just kind of like lay back. And check out that, how I can kind of look throughout the water right here. Highly recommend one of these hammocks. What a setup, absolutely amazing. Very good quality, super strong. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Daze hammock. See you guys in the next video. Woo!